Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and let's do this one. Now this one looks a little different because it's got that fractional exponent on it, but really we do it the same way. You just multiply. So what I'm going to do is take 1/2 times 8 and 1/2 times 2. So it'll look something like this. -8 times x. Now if I take x to the 8th times 1/2, that's going to be x to the 4th. And I'm going to have x to the 4th here. And if I do y squared times 1/2, that's just going to be y to the 1st, or just y. So it'll be times y. Now this -8, nothing really happens with that because it's out front. Now one common mistake that people tend to make when they're doing questions like this, when they see this 8 as being negative, they want to do x to the 4th times y over 8 because it's negative. Well, the number's negative, but the exponent isn't. The only time you move this to the bottom would be as if it had a negative exponent, not just a negative number. So this is not correct. Our answer would just be -8 x to the 4th y.